Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the Bluetooth device name on the KOBO Clara Colour eReader. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the More tab. So we're going to do that by pressing the More button in the bottom right. Then we're going to press Settings, press Bluetooth connection, and make sure that Bluetooth is enabled by pressing this toggle right here. So once it's enabled, you are able to edit your name. So now we're going to press under Bluetooth device, next to Bluetooth device alias, we're going to press Edit. And now we can enter the new name that we want to change it to. So I'm going to do Test, for example, for now. Press Save on the bottom right, and there, as you can see, the name has changed to changed to Test. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.